If you prefer the feel of older Budokai Tenkaichi games, changing your controls in Dragon Ball Sparking Zero takes just a few seconds. From the main menu, scroll over to the Options menu by pressing the Options button on a PlayStation controller, the Menu button on Xbox, or the Escape key on PC. Next, select Controls and Camera, then enter Player 1 Control Settings. Choose Control Style Settings and switch the type from Standard to Classic. Classic controls bring back familiar mechanics, like pressing square on PlayStation or X on Xbox for light attacks, and holding triangle or Y to charge your ki. Defending is mapped to circle or B instead of R1 or right bumper, which many players find much more intuitive for parrying and counterattacking. Once you make the swap, press your back button to confirm and save your selection. You can jump straight into training mode to test out the original layout and see if it fits your playstyle better. If this quick tip helped you out, drop a subscribe to the channel and enjoy the fight.